Let's get to know Studio's text tool. To add text to a design, select Add Text field. This creates a text box and also brings up the text control panel. Let's take a closer look at some of the features. For now, I will just add some dummy text to the box. You can change your font in this menu here and adjust the size here. Use the plus or minus buttons or simply type in your desired size. Beneath the font size is the color box where you can adjust the font's color. Beneath the font menu are some styling options. Choose from bold, italics, underline, and all caps. Lastly, this icon allows you to adjust the letter and line spacing. Beneath the style buttons are the paragraph alignment options where you can choose from left aligned, center aligned, right aligned, and justified. To the right of this, you will find a trash can to delete your text box, a duplicate button that will create a copy of the text, and a lock button that locks the text layer. Moving down the panel, you will see transparency controls, where you can adjust the text's opacity as well as a border weight control. This creates a border for each of the letters. Underneath this, you will find the alignment controls. Here you can quickly adjust where your designs are aligned on the canvas: center, left, top, bottom, etc. To the right of this are two layer control buttons which will shift the position of your text to the front or back of the artwork. For example, if we add an image, you can use these buttons to shift the text in front or to the back, depending on your preference. Lastly, at the bottom of the text panel, you will find the transformation features. These allow you to add custom flair to your text with a range of stylistic presets. To learn more about these, check out our tutorial on text transformations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.